Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic automatic 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this vehicle features 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with the speed limiter. This car has some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.